Also making news tonight, last night we introduced you to the Minamata Convention and the expectations of the Bahamas as it relates to managing mercury. Tonight we'll tell you what needs to be done to combat mercury contamination and what's being rolled out to raise awareness.
It's kidney failure, heart failures, brain issues, especially with young children. And the real bad part about it is that nursing mothers tend to pass it on to their unborn babies. And so one of the things that we found, and people may not know, is that mercury is in skin lightening creams. A lot of skin lightening creams contain mercury, and they've tested them. It's not always on the labels, but it's in there. And mothers, if they're using those kind of products, they can pass it on to their children through skin-on-skin contact and absorption, etc. And so some people have health issues.
Eustacia Jennings of Just Consultants explaining the impacts of mercury on one's health, and also that while a number of bleaching creams have been tested and are known to have mercury, there are also these other concerns.
During our survey of bleaching creams in the Bahamas, we found that the majority of the bleaching creams that are sold are actually homemade or repackaged and then sold, and they have no labels and we have no idea what's in them. So it's really important for us to get into the testing phase so that we can test these products to see if they contain mercury and how much mercury they contain.
Jennings also shares with us why raising awareness on the effects of mercury on health is crucial.
It's really important to do this type of work right now to bring awareness for mercury because it is very harmful to human health. It's a silent, I won't say silent killer, but it wreaks havoc on the human body and the system. This convention was named after an area in Japan where they noticed a lot of defects and even deaths, and they traced it back to mercury poisoning that came from a mine. And so this convention came out of that.
In the coming weeks, expect to see a number of public service announcements and flyers outlining the concerns of mercury surrounding health, revealing Captain Minamata and others that use local artists as well to bring the message home.
And so we have a huge communications campaign that's about to launch with social media blurbs and videos, content to make the public more aware of mercury contamination. We're also going to have an art competition with the schools, and that's going to start next week into the summer for them to participate in mercury awareness and win full prizes. We have some cool videos made by Descoy and Jacozy that in a humorous way, but not humorous way, bring awareness to the importance of knowing where mercury could be in your homes and around you and being able to dispose of mercury products in a safe way.